everybody, welcome to ChinesePod. I'm Joy Lin.
Hi guys, I'm Elijah, and today we have a newbie lesson for you. So if you're a beginner, you're in the right place.
Today's lesson's about an explosion.
Well, we're not quite there yet. It happens in a car with a father and a son talking, and a word you need to listen for is new car. How do you say new car in Chinese?
新车,新车.
So listen for that, and let's hear the dialogue.
爸爸，买新车吧。
不买新。
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.